Hello, today I'll show you how to re-enable Google Chrome on Samsung Galaxy A25. If at some point you have disabled Google Chrome and you don't know how to make it appear back again, you can do it by simply following these steps. First, go into Settings, simply scroll up and tap Settings. Then, go into Applications. It should be right here, Apps section. Then look for Google Chrome. Here it is. As you can see, it is disabled. Now we'll need to enable it back again by simply tapping Enable in the bottom left corner. And now, as you can see, you can use it once again. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.